Start it, bro.
Oh.
You don't want to start videos?
Alright. What is up, you guys? We're back with another install for the SI. Just say we're completing the trifecta today. Trifecta. Not confirmed. So we're gonna have to start by taking off the bumper, and then you guys will see what we're gonna do today. It's gonna be a fun day.
Sorry about the wind noise. It's hurricane season up in California.
Yeah. So let's just go ahead and start taking off the bumper. Alright guys, it was time to get some engine intercooler piping for the SI. So, like I said earlier, we'll complete the trifecta. You'll see why. Come on, bro, let's show me. Got that engine intercooler and the engine cooler intake down here. So all of you saying I don't have any performance mods, it's because we haven't showed you how to install them. I started late in this game, alright? But today's the day we're installing the engine intercooler piping and completing the trifecta. So let's get to it. We have all the piping laid out without the cufflings. Coupling, same thing, bro. So we got everything laid out. So since I have the colder engine intake, it's kind of easy to access the, they're called fasteners? Huh? Fasteners? The fasteners. So there's one, let's see, focus, down there. There's two down there, one down there, and one up here. And then we're gonna take off all these little sensors right here and the vacuum line. And then there's one right here. Take that one off. And then that back one right there, take that one off, slides off, pretty sure. See, we're gonna try to get away with it without taking off the intercooler, so we're gonna try to unbolt it from here, unbolt it somewhere right there. You guys see the bolt? Yeah, 10 to 10 mil. Try and bolt it and then unscrew everything. Hopefully we're gonna take off the intercooler engine. And on this side, this one that I see right there. And there's one down there in the bottom. Let me see if I can focus. Well, whatever. There's one down there. And then take that off. And over here, and it should be a pretty easy install, don't you think?
I say 15 minutes.
Should be pretty easy the way it looks. So let's get to it. So the driver's side pipe completely off. We have to take off the intercooler you guys saw. So our plan worked. But what you're gonna do is we'll clamp fastener 1, fastener 2. We just loosened it, I don't know why, but we just took off the little 2 screws and then just loosened the fastener on the little L on the driver's side. Pulled it out, pulled this out, and these are 2 10s that are mounted to the car. Take that off, disconnect some plugs, and just came right out. Had a little wiggle it, but it came out right. That's all it counts. It came out. So just kidding. Gotta need the sensors.
Boom. And then here's the passenger side. This one's a little bit smaller, a little bit easier to take off. You just kind of loosen all the clamps, especially the top one right here. Loosen that one completely off, and then you take off the 10 millimeters at the bottom. And then on this one, there's also a little bracket holding it. It's kind of down there in there. You'll see it. And just take that off and then just wiggle it up, or actually wiggle it down under the cart, and it should be coming right, and it should come out just like that in one piece.
Alright, so now get your handy dandy engine red. It's my color now, red. So we're just gonna switch up the sensors over, and then we should be good. We got the other one for the vacuum line. Pretty much switch everything over, put the new cufflings and fasteners on, and then we should be good. That's it. That's all you have to do. Alright.
Somebody just got paint. Nobody saw that. Cut.
Alright guys, we're all done with the install. Took a while, as every install is not as easy. It's not as simple as plug and play. So let's explain it. So you don't have to put the bracket anymore. Plug this in. But for the back, for the fastener, you're gonna have to like kind of shove it in there. The ladder right here, the one next to the throttle body. Simple as that. We just put it together, slip it through, down, and onto the intercooler. Didn't take it off because the bracket was on there, so we just screwed it in, and it was a go. You guys can see there. And then on the passenger side,
and on this side, you got this longer coupler right here. So you just kind of stick that in through the bottom, this red hose, and then clamp it right here, clamp it right there, and then don't forget the little bracket down there, right there, if it'll focus, right there. And then this all goes to the intercooler there, and just fasten that, and you're good.
Alright. Alright, so now we're just gonna put everything back together and show you guys something we figured out of having a bigger intercooler piping. So yeah, there was a video. It wasn't really an install, it was just so much do it, and we'll show you, we'll tell you guys how we did it, because there was a lot of pieces and pretty straightforward. We just gave you some tips and tricks. But yeah, so we're just gonna put everything back together, lower the car back down, and then show you the end result.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Install.
Cut it back on.
Some
intercooler piping.
Oh yeah, there you go.
To complete the engine trifecta.
Illuminati.
So yeah, that's what we did today.
But yeah, that's gonna do it for today. Make sure contest giveaway, 500 subscribers.
Yeah, 560.
So 40 more people, and then we're gonna do giveaway. Make sure you're following us here and follow our Instagrams, and you guys should be solid. So all right, that's gonna do it. That's it.
That's all we did.
Shout out to Injen.
Hooking it up.
Trifecta,
engine power.
Alright guys, peace.
But yeah,
Peace out, and always keep improving.